wanna be in the sunlight. You're the colors in my rainbow. I just wanna hear you say, let's go. I've got your love and I'm free. You and me are where we wanna be. We feel so young and carefree. Give a little hope to me. Smile is on my face, singing out my window. You and me, my love, bring out the sunshine. Smile is on my face, singing out my window. You and me, my love, bring out the sunshine. Yeah, we're floating in a blue sky. We just wanna be in
Happy birthday, Candice! Message ko dun sa inaanak ko. Alam ko naman na magiging happy siya kasi mahal na mahal siya ng parents niya at saka mga tito-tita niya. And then sa part na lang natin, sana, yun nga, lumaki siya, yung spiritual niya, mag-grow din.
smile.
Okay lang mabuti katulad ng parents mo na rin tsaka ng Christine. Tsaka sana lagi kang gagalang sa mga pamilya mo na tatanda sa'yo. Tsaka lagi kita ka sa Diyos.
Smile is on my face. Bring out the sunshine.
Message ko, yun lang, sana maging always happy kid siya, kapag maging healthy. Tapos lagi may tao sa Diyos at magalang.
You'll be here by my side. Please, please, please don't let this day be over. We'll be happy ever after. You'll be here by my side.
So, ay Candice, sana sumaki siyang may tawag sa Diyos at sana maging mabait siyang bata. Maging mabuti. Yun lang po.
Bring